Welcome to our online classes. We had started chapter 4 from civics, that is the role of state government. In the previous video, we discussed about the public health services. The state government is responsible for the welfare of the people living in the state and providing the basic facilities to them. And healthcare is in India is the responsibility of every state. So, in previous video, we discussed about the public health services, and today's topic is the private health services. Let's start today's topic. Private healthcare services are offered by individuals and are profit oriented. There are number of private hospitals, nursing homes which have sprung up in the urban areas. There are number of private hospitals and nursing homes are developing in urban areas. The private health facilities includes laboratories with all kinds of new equipments to provide facilities of test, x-rays and ultrasound. Several doctors and in urban and rural areas have set up their own private clinics. The number of such private practitioners is more in urban than rural areas. So, private healthcare services are mostly available in urban areas. Urban areas means located in town or cities. The infrastructure in the private health services is far better than public health services. So private health services infrastructure is very good and compared to public health services. In fact, the private sector, despite being costlier, provides 75% of health services in the country. Private sector is costlier than public health services, but it provides 75% of health services in the country. Community health programs in Kerala. The minimum need programs give priority to the development of rural health services. So, what are the programs followed in our country, India? This is example of Kerala state. So, the minimum need program gives priority to development of rural health services. Why? Because in rural health services, private health services are not mostly concerned. Public health services are located in provided in rural areas, but there is lack of facilities in rural health services. In Kerala, through this program, primary health centers, sub-centers and community health centers have been set up to cover more than 3.6 lakh of rural population. So, इस प्रोग्राम के थ्रू केरल में अप्रॉक्स 3.6 लाख रूरल पॉपुलेशन को फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड की जा रही हैं. The National Tuberculosis Control Program has been adopted by Kerala government to deal with estimated 60,000 people in the state. The National Tuberculosis Control Program. In Kerala, the National Program for Control of Blindness was implemented to ensure the comprehensive eye health care services to rural and urban areas. So, these are the examples of the various programs conducted by the state Kerala. The National Leprosy Eradication Program was instituted to wipe out leprosy from India. In Kerala, a specialized treatment and a specialized form of treatment called MDT, multiple drug therapy, was introduced in all districts by 1993, leading up to considerable reduction in the prevalent rate of the disease. The state has a mental health program of its own, and the first district psychiatry unit was opened in 1970, attached to the district hospital of. So, these are the programs conducted by state, Kerala. Our next example is Costa Rican approach. The Costa Rica is considered to be one of the healthiest among all countries in South America. Costa Rica is a country of South America. The government of Costa Rica provides all the basic facilities like safe drinking water, housing, sanitation, nutrition to all citizens. Health remains a primary agenda for the government. Now, the summary of the chapter. It is the responsibility of a state government to look after the public health. There are a number of private hospitals and nursing homes which have sprung up in the urban areas. In 2005, the Government of India adopted National Rural Health Mission aimed to provide better healthcare services to the people. The Minimum Needs Program gives priority to the development of rural health services. The government of Costa Rica provides all the basic facilities like safe drinking water, housing, sanitation, and nutrition to all its citizens. Thank you, students.